We don't need to be rocket scientists to understand how money works. Once you know how money works, you'll be able to plan for the present and for the future. Welcome to the brand new mini course, Having Confidence with Money, organized by North York Community House. Let's get better with money together.
$400, $580, $700, $850. What are these numbers? Does anything come to mind? Hi, I'm Lorenzo, the online programming coordinator at North York Community House. And in this video, we're going to find out all things credit. How? With the help of Gazwan, our financial literacy worker. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Gazwan. How are you?
Hi, Lorenzo. Good to see you again.
I know it's nice to see you too again. So in this video, we're going to talk about credit bureau. So Gazwan, what is a credit bureau?
Okay, so credit bureaus compile information from lenders like banks, credit card issuers, credit unions, financial institutions, and collection agencies. And they do it as soon as you open a first credit account. So in Canada, we have two credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion.
And so in our previous video, we talked about who would ask you for your credit score. So who might call you if you have any outstanding payments?
So usually credit bureaus, they don't call, but rather collection agencies. So if a payment was not paid, so a big financial institution, even small financial institution, or any entities that are providing a service or goods or anything, so they might have this section within their agency, acting as collecting agency. So they come after and try to contact the person who has not paid that, or whether they go and there are collection agencies that are authorized and to go and talk to them, to the person or to the group, why they're not paying and they have to pay that amount of money. So these people will be calling you in this regard. This is definitely, if you're talking about calling, they will be calling you over the phone, but also they may also more likely send you to your address about actions that are going to be taken, okay, if this money or this outstanding money is not paid on time. Okay, because sometimes maybe it will reach that level of collection agency to come to you, and we are not aware of that. So one scenario will be somebody who comes to you and provide you an internet service, and this is a lived experience with a newcomer, and so they got the device, and then the family was expecting though somebody will come and connect the device, and the company was thinking that they just it's plug in and they will use the internet, and for 2 months there was no internet, and then the bill was issued to the consumer, and but it thought that it's not fair to pay that money, and then the company has just transferred the outstanding payment to the collection agency, and collection agency contacted that family and under one individual name, of course. So when it comes to collection, that will go to your report, or will harm your credit scores, and it doesn't look good at your credit report. Like, don't let your payments to go to collection agencies. Sometimes, so something will happen we are not aware. So somebody may use our information and lend the money and we are not aware of, or maybe something that we needed to pay and it was sent to wrong address, or we have changed the address. So one thing that's important to mention here is like if we can look into our credit history here and there, okay, to know what's going on. So if we know that something is wrong, so we need to take action. So taking action not only for an outstanding payment that we cannot pay, but rather maybe information that's wrong. For example, we brought that scenario of that family using the internet service. So they needed to take action that they have to explain to the collection agency. So we have not used this, and then they can communicate with that service provider in order to take this information from their credit history, credit report that goes under that individual who has signed for that service.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and if you need more information, Gazwan will be ready to help you. You will find information down below. And thank you, Gazwan, for walking us through the credit score and credit bureau.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.